Hello, in this video I will show you how to apply effects in Dialogues AI in Kukarella. So first thing you need to know, effects can only be applied to voices which support effects. Like this. Take a look. You see this magic one? It means that this voice with red one does not support any effect. Yellow means this voice supports some effects. So if you're planning to use effects in your dialogue, please remember to choose the voice which supports them. Basically, multilingual voices do not support effects, as well as cloned voices which you clone. I believe they do not support effects. They support some pause, say as. Yeah, they support some effects. But multilingual voices, they do not support, or no, some of them they do support pause and say as. Okay, good to know. Okay, so let's say that we selected voices, assigned them to each line, and now we want to apply effects. Let's say that I want this part be read at a higher speed. You can change speed of that text. If you want, you can change pitch, maybe even volume. Now text was highlighted, and if you click on it and open effects panel, you see what has been changed. If you want to reset changes, you can do it manually, so you can move pitch to 0, or you can reset all effects. If you click on this button, it resets all effects in the project. Okay, what other effects are supported? Pause. You can add pauses between words, sentences. Here you can change the duration of the pause. And if you want to add pauses between each sentence or each paragraph, you can choose it here. And again, you can choose duration, how long this pause should be. Just scroll, and between paragraphs as well. If you decide that you no longer need it, just unselect or click reset all effects. What other effects are supported? It depends on the voice, as I mentioned. You can choose say as. It will spell out letters or numbers, fractions. You can choose emphasis and change it from default to strong or moderate or reduced. You can change style. If this voice supports styles, you can see style. You can choose style for a paragraph, not for all lines which are read by this actor, but for this specific paragraph. And if you change it, Davis will read this paragraph, let's say shouting, and all other paragraphs will be read with his general style. What other options you have? You can add audio. So let's say that you want to play jingle. Click here, add insert recorded audio. It should be short. I think it's up to 5 megabytes, and probably it should be short. These are formats which are supported: MP3, WAV, GG. So if you upload file and click play, it will play that audio after this sentence. Okay, basically that's everything about effects. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.